Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here. I'm here today to discuss with you these faux locks that I did on my hair. Yes. I have done several crochet styles on my hair on my channel, but I haven't done faux locks in a while. I was just kind of over it until I found these. Janet Collection was so kind to send me over some of their new Rockin Locs, which that's what these are, an extremely natural textured type of faux lock. And once I saw these and took them out of the pack, I was like, yeah, I have to try these. These are new, they just came out, which is really cool too. And these are in the 20-inch style. They also have some that are in the very like trendy popular bob style. These are called the 2-time MAMBO Rockin Locs. This is the tag that comes on the locks right here. I use 6 packs, which is really not a lot for faux locks for me. Usually I would use about 7 or 8 packs. But with these, they don't have any crochet loop at the top. You actually have to double them over. So 1 faux lock crocheted into your hair equals 2 locks coming down on your head, which kind of makes you have to use less locks. And also, they're really thick and the texture is extremely natural, so you really don't have to use that many locks to achieve a full head, which is awesome. It says that they should be extremely lightweight, and they are. It really doesn't feel like I have anything on my head. Maybe I'm just getting good, or maybe these just are extremely easy to install, but it took me about 2 hours in all from cornrowing my hair and installing these in. This literally took no time, and I love the way that they look. I also have an extremely like itchy type of scalp, and these feel like there's literally nothing on my head. The braids are a bit tight. I probably should have did the braids a little looser. My head is not itching or anything like that, so I'm gonna try to keep these in for about 4 to 8 weeks, and I'm gonna update you. I was going to do individual locks with these, but there's no crochet loop on the top, if you know what I'm talking about. You actually have to double these in half to crochet them into your head. It was really difficult for me to figure out how to do them individually. My hair is getting really thick and really long. I tried to do these individually and it just wasn't working out for me, so I went ahead and crocheted them in. But I love the crochet look with these. I love the length. They come about to the, you know, boob area, and as you can see, the texture, like, look at this. The texture looks just so natural. It's very rough actually, but it doesn't feel rough on your head or on your scalp or anything. Janet Collection definitely gets 2 thumbs up for me for these faux locks. I love them. If you're interested in these faux locks, of course I have places that you can get these linked down in the description box below. These are new, so these will be, you know, something that you could rock, that you'll be up to date on the trends and everything with hair, because these just came out. You know what to do, just please stay tuned. So I'm starting off with my hair blown out. I was testing out a tool that you can use to blow out your hair with indirect heat, and I'm going to be sharing that with you guys very soon. After I blew out my hair, I cornrowed my hair straight back. I actually did 9 cornrows, and I joined some of those together to make them bigger in the back. Then I took a needle and thread and sewed the cornrows back up into my head so there is no loose ends. I do have a video about how I do that. I will link that up at the top right here. Just click the eye if you're interested in seeing that. So this is what the Rockin Locs look like out of the package. They are 20 inches long and extremely lightweight and natural texture, as you can see. You're of course going to need a crochet tool, a very inexpensive thing that you can get at the beauty supply. I'm going to take one of the faux locks that I've doubled in half, and I'm going to put the crochet tool up underneath of one of my cornrows, starting on the side. Then I'm just going to loop that faux lock onto the latch tool, close the latch, pull it up under, and then double knot it. As you can see, I'm almost done, so this is what we're working with now. Now that we have only 2 cornrows left, it's time to demonstrate a couple more times. So another thing that I wanted to tell you guys is that make sure that the ends of the faux locks are uneven when you double it in half. It will just make your faux locks look a bit more natural because they will be different lengths. They just won't all be one uniform length. That's not very believable. So making the ends of the faux lock that you double in half a different length will make it look more natural. After I looped that faux lock underneath my cornrow, as you can see, I'm tying it twice. I don't know if that's necessary. That's just what I like to do to make sure that it's extra secure. As you can see, the ends of the faux lock are uneven, and now that I have that uneven, I'm just looping that faux lock onto the latch tool, closing the latch, and then pulling it up underneath my cornrow. Once I have it looped one time, I go ahead and knot it again just by taking the two ends and tying them in one last knot. So I'm just repeating that process over and over until I complete my entire head. So once I completed my entire head, this is what it looked like. As you can see, I did add a bit of hair accessories, the filigree tubes, and I also added some little like spoolie, I don't know what you call them, but they're like little spoolie like ring type of hair accessories. I found all of my hair accessories for very cheap at the beauty supply. So I'm just playing with the faux locks now, showing you the back and the sides and the front. Lastly, I'm going to show you guys how I very easily style these into a high bun. I like putting half up, half down with these locks because they are a bit bulky. Even though I only use 6 packs, they're extremely thick. So it looks like there's a lot of locks on my head. Just to make it look a bit less bulky, I'm taking a headband. You just need something that's really stretched out. If you have a stretched out hair tie or a headband, something like that, put your hair into a high ponytail and then just twist that around. You don't need any type of bobby pins or anything. You can just tuck them under and the bun will stay on your head. As you can see right here, I'm not using anything to secure the bun. I'm just tucking it in real nice. And yeah, that is the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to check out the description box below so you can see where you can purchase these faux locks from Janet Collection. Once again, thank you to them for allowing me to try these out. And please subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.